One of the most popular types of visas for those moving to Spain is what's known as the Golden Visa Scheme. This scheme effectively means that, as a non-European, you'll be granted a residency permit to live in Spain, provided you make an investment of 500,000 euros in the country. Keep watching. The Golden Visa Scheme. The Golden Visa Scheme gives foreigners who invest large sums in Spanish property, public debt, and projects of general interest the right to reside in Spain. Most people applying for this visa type choose to invest in property. In this situation, the minimum investment before taxes and changes is 500,000 euros, or $551,000, and the real amount rises to around 600,000 euros once taxes and other costs are considered. The main perk of this scheme is it gives non-EU citizens access to the entire Schengen area, although it doesn't allow you to work in Spain. Getting a golden visa. Obviously, the main aspect of this scheme is financial. It's only right for you if you have 500,000 euros or more to invest. So first you need to find a property or series of properties worth more than this amount that you want to buy. From this point, it's important to note that the 500,000 euros must be money you bring into the country. If you plan to finance part of your purchase with a Spanish mortgage, you still have to either pay the first 500,000 euro in cash or pay for this with a mortgage granted by a non-Spanish bank. This sum must effectively be additional money that's being brought into the country. You'll also need to be aware that refurbishment costs do not count towards your golden visa. Only the purchase price will be taken into account. Likewise, any additional property fees do not count towards your golden visa. They are extra expenses you can expect to pay on top of your 500,000 euro investment. Finally, do note that you can divide the 500,000 euros across multiple properties. Securing your visa. Once you've made an investment worth at least 500,000 euros, you're in a position to obtain your Spanish golden visa. Doing this is a two-step process. First, you must go to the Spanish consulate in your home country to obtain the visa. This is a stamp in your passport that allows you to travel to Spain with multiple entries and exits for 1 year. To secure the visa, you'll need to show your purchase agreement and your property's deed to prove you've made the property investment, alongside the documents you would expect, such as your passport and proof you don't have a criminal record. The next step happens when you travel to Spain and must be completed within a year of step 1. It's here you will apply for your residency permit. Because your fingerprints are taken at the time of your permit application, your whole party must attend this appointment in person. When you apply for a golden visa, your initial residence permit is valid for 2 years. You do not have to live in Spain during this time, but you do need to return to renew your residence permit in person once the 2-year period is expired. Once you apply for your residence permit, it takes about 50 days for the permit to be issued. This is broken down into around 25 days to complete the application process and 25 days to receive your ID card. After you've been a legal resident of Spain for 5 years, you're eligible to apply for permanent residency. Have you always dreamt of retiring to Spain? Get in touch to find out more about how we can help you. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.